The entire fabrication of major structures as well as the complete machine assembly and testing are done under strict quality control and guidelines. The components are sourced from various reputed Indian and overseas manufacturers, and the end product which churns out of this plant is as durable and tough as per global standards.
TIL is known in India as the leading material handling equipment manufacturer. We have manufacturing experience for more than 57 years. We joined hands with Hyster in 2008, and since 2009 we have been manufacturing the ReachStackers in India as per the design of Hyster. If you see our manufacturing facility, the complete fabrication are done inside our facility. This facility is certified as per ISO 3834, which ensures that we maintain the global quality standards as far as the fabrications are concerned. Then the process quality audits are carried out periodically by the team visiting from Nijmegen. They ensure that our process quality is exactly the same as a Nijmegen built machine. The machine built by TIL as per the Hyster design is one of the best machines in the world.